Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Anthony in Michigan on the present Lincoln 2 Plus. Anthony, got you ready to go, bud? Basic, just tune-in alignment. This still has the factory voltage regulator. Has the factory FQP 13N10 finals. They seem to usually work okay as long as you have no SWR and you're not running an amplifier with them. They do show some nice peak numbers. So let's just get right to it. Our power all the way down, 50 watt slug. Got you at 1 watt all the way down, 10 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello. About 28 bird. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello. 56 peak. And I'll roll it all the way down. From a 1 watt carrier, in case you're going to drive an amp. Hello, same 56 watts. And we're going to go over here, show you FM. 1 watt there. And it will turn up to 30. I don't recommend running it that high though. Over here to sideband. 100 watt slug. Hello, 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 hello. You make it do about 1 or 2 watts if you want. You roll it up a little bit more. Hello, hello, hello. About 38. Roll it wide open. Hello, 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 hello. Audio. About 42. Alrighty, Anthony. It's ready to come to Wolverine country. Or maybe it's Spartan country. I'm not sure. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.